wanna take it like a hand down. I gotta rap and spit your head down. I don't give a fuck, I gotta stand tall. Walk up in the stage like fuck y'all. I remember haters looking at me, got a voice on. I be cut through like a buzzsaw. I swear to hate that I be rapping, but it's all talk. I don't give a damn about your team, I'm hot, I really mean that. Shout out to all my brothers getting me stacks. Just making sure shows scream that. I'm just trying to live, young brother breathe. I look good, but I feel the savage. I never thought it would've happened, but it did happen. I love the kids and I tell them right before they follow. I'm trying to be great, I ain't here to be a role model, young nigga. This is the goal. She said, can you keep this between us? Don't let no one know. I see you, I know what you're hiding, but you know that I can ride. I am the way you decide. I'm fly as hell, I'm the pilot. How y'all feeling, Milwaukee? Y'all ready? Hey, turn the music up for me. Hey! Can I hear y'all singing? What we say? Hey!
Don't be shy, just give me to me, shine. Paulo, toca tu chega, se eu canto tudo mais. Gosta, Lucia, já te dá famuli. Only if you knew just what you do. Cause
Let me hear you sing it. Hey. One time.